Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Jinpo. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Palesh Marshall visits permanent Maharaj ashram aimed at getting with Simriti Mandana on hold. Palesh Marshall seemingly makes a stop at spiritual guru Permanent Maharaj ashram aimed at the late wedding to Simriti Mandana. Written by Rishi Agarwal, journalist, updated on 3rd December 2025. Simriti Mandhana's wedding to Palesh Muchal has recently been the talk of the town after their proposal at the Dev Patel Stadium went viral. However, just ahead of their nuptials, the marriage was postponed after the cricketer father was reportedly rushed to the emergency room for a heart attack. Later, it was also reported that the groom was hospitalized, further delaying the wedding. In rising rumors, the Indian music composer was supposedly spotted by a netizen visiting Premanand Maharaj at his ashram in Vrindavan called Sri Het Radha Keli Gunj. Flesh Mitchell's possible visit to Permanent Maharaj Ashram. In a post on Reddit, the user shared, I was watching the display by Permanent Maharaj Ji on 2nd December and I am certain that the masked individual in the front is Palesh. I noticed he has the same mehndi on his fingers. I verified his Mehndi photos and the Namjap Mala Bhakti carries. The photo showed a man's face behind a mask as he stood among a huge crowd. A comment on the post further solidified the piece of news with details such as his bodyguard and his mother being a part of the clips with the absence of his father. Moreover, actor Rajpal Yadav was reportedly spotted with him as well, claiming that their close relationship may be the reason why they visited the spiritual leader together. The musician was spotted at the airport for the first time since his wedding was postponed. Accompanied by his parents, the star did not interact with the paparazzi or address the cheating rumors floating on the internet. It has been speculated that the star was involved with other women, with some wild associations involving the dance choreographers of his wedding, Gulnaz and Nantika Dewari. The claims the two have since denied being a reason for the delay in the wedding, while the concerned parties remain tight-lipped about the ordeal, with only the groom's sister, singer Palak Mochel, requesting privacy. Scheduled to be held in Maharashtra's Sangalis on 23rd November, the wedding saw many Indian women cricketers being a part of the celebrations. Neither the groom nor the bride has commented on the rumors and the change of plans in the past couple of weeks. A third reason why Palesh Mitchell was hospitalized ahead of wedding with Smriti Mandhana. Credits Palesh Mitchell's Instagram, Bhajan Mark YouTube channel. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.